Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today's topic is like how to make an amazing game using notepad or like we are going in this series we are going to make a tic tac game. Like I will show you like its game is like this. I have already made this game. You can see it's working like this. First you have to choose like pick your skill level. Like first it will ask like pick your skill level and like you can say it's like 2. When you click on like 2 it will start like this, and you have to, if you want to place like anywhere, like there's a numbers, you can see there's numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose I want to place like x on number 6, it will place on number 6 and computer is running on number 5. So suppose I'm placing now on number 9, and now I'm placing suppose on number 7, then I have to place on number 2, then of which 4 is left. Then it will ask that there are no more moves are left and like you want to play again or not. If I type yes, so it will play again. Suppose I'm like doing this thing. Sorry, you lose. If you lose, so it's like that. If that wins, so it's asked again like you want to play again or not. It's your choice that you want to play again or not. If I type N, it will simply close. Okay, guys. Like this it will close. Now the code for this program is under this video link. I have put the link of my GitHub, so you can find that link below the video, and you can click on that link and you can like copy this code. And what you have to do, you have to open the notepad and you have to save it as a bat file, .bat. From which name you are saving, it's not like from particular name you have to save. You can save like from like tic tac dot bat. Remember its extension is dot bat. Like for text we have dot txt, it is having dot bat. Now I will explain you some of the code. Echo is basically used for like you have printf and c and c out in like C++. Echo is like that, like the things we are seeing on the screen. You already know that we are seeing tic tac, you for it and pick a screen level, and it's like choice, it's like 1 2 3, and it is according to that. And then layout, player turns, x or 0, set pt equals to rem game winner x or 0. So what it is doing, like set to and blank space after equal to and sign. Okay, it is putting like blank space. T1s are the tiles on which we are like running x and 0. Then it is having an echo again, set the skill level in your player x, like oh we can only run x value, we cannot go on a 0. Okay, or oh press a number you want to put the x. It is like a matrix. I told you like it is a matrix, 2D matrix 3 by 3, and you have to tell the index number of that matrix where you have to put 1 2 3. Like t1 is like this and like it's like this. Okay guys, and then you have is here you have is like t1 is 0 or t1 is x. If t1 is x, go to player like t1 is 0, then go to x. Okay guys, then it is going for like your the moves you are doing. It means like suppose you are running t1 to 0, so if t1 3 is 0 and if t2 is 0, it's like t1 3 and 2 is 0. Let me show you. 1 3 1 2 and 3 is 0, so it's obvious that the winner is 0. It is basically telling the winner. If t1 0 and t9 is 0 and t5 is 0, it is like the cross form it is making. So it is again the winner. It is the combinations in which you can win and which in other player or a computer which is playing with you can win. Okay guys, it's the combination here. And if there are many combinations in skill 1, there is like little tough, and skill 2 is like little, skill 2 is tough and like skill 1 is easy. It's like that. Okay, now earlier we are doing for like x part, and now here we are doing for 0 part. They go to check, and then we are doing is t1 is x, x, and x, so go to win x, and t5 is x and x, and like go to win x and go to win o. Okay guys, it is like skill 1. For skill 1 it is doing, and for win number it is checking like win number 2, sorry you lose, play again. And in win number w30, no moves. No moves is like you are stuck in the matlab your whole game is completed and you have no moves, so you cannot move. Like my arrow came earlier, like we don't have a move, I moved already on earlier also. Then if it is like doing, they want to play again, it is like displaying like its user is writing like y, so it will like empty all that matrix part, and then it will do it that thing it again. Okay guys, it is clearing the screen and emptying that file part. If you, okay guys, you are like more aware of it now. I have explained the whole program also, and you can also easily do. I'll put a link below this video, so you just click on that link and copy this code and save it in copy that code in notepad and save it from a .bat file. Okay, and then you can directly click on that file like I have clicked. Like see, I will play again. I've clicked on this file, it will directly open the game. Like medium, I have print like medium, then it's like 8, 6, 5, 4, you lose y or n. If I write n, then it will end the screen and clear that part. Okay guys, it's like simple program. Remember this, you have to save that it from a .bat file. Don't forget saving that in .bat file, otherwise it will not open. Okay guys, thank you.